Hey guys, I jumped back on because I also forgot another ingredient to this. I'm going to go ahead and add my cream of chicken, which is 1 can. I've got a big can, so that means I just add half of the cream of chicken. And then we also add, I like Italian dressing. You can use the dry. I like to add just a little bit of the dressing, and you don't add much. Just kind of sprinkle it around. So I'm going to say that's maybe 1/4 cup. Not much. Now my cream cheese has melted. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up now. Get it all mixed in there together. Now if you have it softened to start with, mix it before you ever put it in there. That's fine. Mine was not softened, so I'm mixing it in there now. And again, that's chicken broth. About 1/3 cup of chicken broth. 4 ounces of cream cheese. What, baby? 1 can of cream of chicken. 1/4 cup of butter. About 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken. And then about, I'm going to say 1/4 cup of Italian dressing. And there you go, guys. There it is. You just let it cook. It's going to be so yummy over them noodles tonight. Okay? All right. Putting my lid back on. What? I'm going to let you talk to them. You should have at least combed your hair. Somebody's going to have something to say. Don't touch that. It's hot. Tell them what you're doing. Look, tell them what you're doing. Cooking chicken. So it's going to show them our noodles. Tell them it's going to go over the noodles. Over these noodles tonight. And what else? I think that's about it, isn't it? Huh? Oh, you want to show them that? Yeah, show them that. So we had to put Italian dressing. That's what we use as dressing. And we had to put 1 can here. You got to move your hands so they can see the. There you go. 1 can of cream of chicken. And we put sour cream. Not sour cream. Cream cheese. Butter. And that's it, isn't it? And the chicken. Tell them we'll come back tonight when it's done. Look, tell them we'll come back tonight. Hey. So we'll come back tonight when it's done. Okay. Love you guys.